This video will demonstrate the Ruckus Subscriber Identity Module Management Services Portal, or SIMS Management Service Portal. When you buy Subscriber Identity Modules, or SIMs, from Ruckus as part of the private LTE solution, Ruckus will create an account for you on our SIM portal and populate your SIM card information in a deactivated state for the number of SIMs that you purchased. The SIMS portal supports three types of user roles. The permission levels or user roles depend on your subscribed plan. While requesting for a new username, you can select one of the following user roles: Master Admin, Admin, or User. This table provides information on the privileges available for each user role. The Master Admin access gives you the maximum admin features. You'll receive an email with details about your SMS portal that will include its URL, login username, and password. After receiving your SIMs for your user equipment clients, you'll log into the SIMs Management portal to activate them. SIMs can't be used unless they are activated. If SIMs need to be deactivated, such as when a user equipment client is removed or taken offline, you would also use the SMS portal. When you purchase additional SIMs, these will also be added to your account. Ruckus believes SIM management should be simple, efficient, and quick. We have tried to provide you exactly that combination with this product. So from the login, you would put in your username and password, and if for some reason you forgot your username or password, you could click on Username or Password. If you forgot your username, it says please send us an email at support-case@aris.com, or if you forgot your password, you would enter your username here and then we'll email you a new password. We'll go back to the login page and we'll click on Login. And when you log in, this brings you to the dashboard. The dashboard shows the number of devices in active state or suspended state. The current device summary gives you the number of devices that are currently activated and suspended. So in this case, we have 0 active devices and we have 29 suspended devices. If I click on the menu up here, I can give myself a little bit more real estate. The dashboard also allows you to view the summary of your active and suspended devices for any given date since the account activation. So for example, we have 410, but if I wanted to go back at a previous time, let's say I went back to March 3rd and I hit go, you'll notice that the number of active devices and suspended devices is now changed. So let's move back to my current date and I'll select go. The device group is what gets created based on the instructions provided by your VAR or partner, so please request for specific groups desired at the time of ordering the SIMs. If you had multiple device groups, you could select these. So for example, if I went to the American Tower Company and I hit go, you notice that in this case, I don't have any active devices or any suspended devices. So I'll go back to my Ruckus Wireless and I'll select go. If I go back to my menu and I select my Manage Devices, the Management Device page allows you to make changes to your devices, including updating fields, moving devices from one group to another, suspending and unsuspending devices, and so forth. You can apply changes in bulk or to individual devices. Under the Search category, you can filter with groups, search for specific SIMs via their International Mobile Subscriber Identity, or IMSI, their Integrated Circuit Card ID, which is the ICCID, the Mobile Station International Subscriber Directory Number, the MSISDN, or the International Mobile Equipment Identity, which is the IMEI. As a note, the ICCID will be printed on the back of the SIM card holder as well as on the actual SIM itself. You can edit any of the editable fields to identify your SIMs, provide their nicknames, and so forth. And you'll notice that all of these SIMs are in a deactivated state, which is what you would see when you first logged into your portal. So you're going to have to activate the SIMs that are used. So if I want to activate a device, I could click on a particular device and I would hit the down arrow and I could click on Unsuspend Device. I would get a confirmation. It says confirmed for unsuspension. Click on that. It'll take a few moments. And now you'll see that that device has been activated. If I wanted to add a note to that, for example, if I wanted to give it a nickname, I could click on Edit. And there are a number of fields that can be edited. You can edit the IMEI field. You can give it a nickname. So I'm going to call this one JP's phone. And you can put a note in here, and I'm going to say changed on 4/10/19, and then I would click save. Now if I untick that arrow, you'll see that now I have a nickname. And as a best practice, it's good to give a name to each device to help you recognize that device better. If I wanted to do a bulk suspension or activation, I could click more than one SIM. So for example, I'll click these three, and under bulk action, I could change the device group, change the nickname, update notes, or unsuspend the device. So I'm going to unsuspend these devices, and I'll get my confirmation. I'll click on confirm unsuspension. It'll take a few moments. And as you can see, after a few moments, you've now activated those three devices. So we'll go ahead and untick those. And as an example for a search or filter, for example, if I put in an IMSI number, and I'll paste that number into the search field, and you may have pulled this out of a spreadsheet, and I hit the search button, you'll see in this case that it finds that specific SIM. So I'll clear my search. If I want to do a custom view, I would click on custom view, and I can click the items that I want in the columns up here. So by default, it's nickname, status, IMSI, UICC, and the MS-ISDN number. But if I tick the device group and then I hit save, you'll notice that these have now been added to my column. So I'll go back and untick those two. If you have any questions on how to use the SMS portal, you could go to the Ruckus website and you could download the Ruckus LTE SIM Management Service User Guide. You would just click on the download tech document at this point. If for some reason you wanted to open up a ticket, you could go to the Ruckus support site and you would then submit a case, and the Ruckus support team would give you assistance. So as you can see, using the Ruckus SIM Management Service portal is easy and quick.